Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab. You can do that by pressing on the Apps icon on the left. And then we're going to go to the Clock app. And here we're going to go to Stopwatch. So you have these options on the bottom. Select Stopwatch. And once you want to use the stopwatch, press this play icon. And the stopwatch will start. And here you can pause it. You can continue it. You can press this button to reset it. And you also have this button to add a lap. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.